What's the meaning of babyish? Babyish. Babyish.
Babyish. Babyish. Babyish refers to something that is childish or infantile in nature. It may describe a person's behavior, speech, or appearance as being immature or overly dependent. This term can also be used to describe things that are designed for babies, such as toys or clothing. Furthermore, it can be used in a derogatory sense to criticize someone for acting in a way that is seen as weak or vulnerable. Overall, babyish suggests a lack of maturity or sophistication and is often used as a way to belittle someone.